Hey guys, Richard here, eBike Reviews and Adventures. Well, looky here, coming down the street is my friend and neighbor Tom. What are you doing out today, Tom?
Huh?
Where are you headed today, Tom?
I'm just gonna go check my fish trap there.
Your fish trap?
Yeah.
You have a fish trap?
Yeah, there's a cover that comes out
Yeah.
from this pond
Oh yeah, the outlet from the big one?
for the big one. So I've been trying to catch, I don't care about the tilapia, I'll let them die.
Yeah.
But it's the bass that I've been taking out of there.
Yeah. You eating them or you just transferring them?
I'm just transferring them over.
That's cool.
I actually been taking them and putting them in the basketball court.
Yeah.
Because I know that one doesn't go nowhere. This one, if it overfills, it's gonna go right back in that river again.
Yeah. Cool.
All right, see you later.
Later. All right guys, anyway, I was about to say, I'm out here riding the Kingbull Hunter and yeah, getting familiar with it so we can do the full review. It's a nice bike. So this is the third bike that Kingbull has sent to me, and they've got good products. They're a smaller company, but they're building some good bikes, and appreciate them for sending them out to us. This one's no different. Actually, this is pretty darn nice. And it's a budget bike too, so we'll talk more about that in a minute. Hey, stick around because I'm going to show you all about it here in a few minutes too. But yeah, just it's kind of like their mountain. They call it their mountain style bike, and you know, it's certainly it's a 26-inch tire bike, and I don't know that I'd really say it's great for mountain bike riding. You could. It's got front suspension. You don't have any rear suspension. It's a hardtail, so that's fine. It does have fenders and the rack and everything already installed, which is all good because it makes it a nice versatile bike. So you can ride it for doing a little trail riding if you want, or ride it through the neighborhood like I'm doing right now, or you can, stick a basket or something on it and run down to the supermarket and grab a few things, which I often do. So, yeah, kind of nice. Tell you what, before I show you, let's just go ahead and do a couple of tests here together. So, this display it's a little dark here in the bright sun. So it's a little darker than some. There's probably a setting in there where I can go in there and brighten that up. Often there are, but I just don't know where that is because I haven't looked yet. Let's see here, what pass we're in. We're in pass 2. We're doing 16 miles per hour. And so we're going to go ahead and jump it up into 3. I tell you what, pedal's nice and smooth on the pedals there. So I like that, but we are in 7th gear over here for our mechanical gears. And at 19, I'm already ghost pedaling. So I'm just going to ghost pedal it this time to keep the motor going to see what it does. So in pedal assist 4, we're already up at 22, 23, 23 and a half, 24. And that's in pedal assist 4. So this bike will top out at 28 if I bumped it on up in there in pedal assist 5, but it's all ghost pedal at that point. So just be aware of that. But the motor's not very loud. I mean, you can hear it a little bit, but it's not an annoying high-pitched sound like some motors are. You just hear it, but nothing annoying with it at all, so I don't mind that at all. It rides good. I mean, it feels good. It handles good so far. I'm liking it. Let's test out these brakes real quick. Yeah, they need to get broke in. We haven't bedded the brakes in because we've only got a few miles on it, so. But they grabbed real good. Let's see here. Let's go this way. Let's stop over here somewhere and I can show you what this thing's all about. And you know what? I haven't been over here near this lake for a while, so we're going to zip around over here, come back and stop in front of this lake, check it out. The water is up pretty high from all the rain we've been getting. Look, we got puddles out here in the street. Get around those puddles so I don't get this thing too wet before I get the review done. Get up here on the sidewalk, go through the grass, and we'll just stop right over here. Oh wow, yeah, that thing is. So, yeah, I don't know what that was, but something jumped in the water. Let's go over here and see if we can see. There's an alligator out here or something. That was a pretty big splash right here on the edge. You see, you can't see, but it's all cloudy right here. And the mud being all stirred up. It could have been a turtle, just a large turtle that went into the water quickly. Yeah, could be. Yeah, this is probably the highest I've seen this lake. All this rain we've been getting. Beautiful, huh? But hey, we're here to look at the Kingbull Hunter. So let's check it out. So there it is in all its glory. Yeah, so we got the 26x4 tires in the back, 750 motor, which we just talked about. It runs nice and quiet. Or not quiet, but I mean it runs nice. Not too loud or anything. We do have a rack back here. We have an integrated tail light back here. This seat is actually not too bad. So a pretty decent seat on there. Saddle. And got my shadow in the shot here. There we go. We got a 15 amp hour battery tucked in down below. We do have, oh, those are plastic pedals. So $8.99, guys. This thing's on sale right now. You can get it for $8.99. So you can't expect a whole lot of high-end components, but the components that it does have are pretty good. I'm liking it. We'll get back to the cockpit in a second. We'll come on up here. We do have mechanical brakes. I think those are 160 rotors. Nice big giant headlight up here in the front. The wiring is all nice and neatly wrapped. I always like to see a nice clean wire wrap up there. And it is the Mazo, is that how you pronounce that? Mazo forks. These guys are adjustable, so you can lock them out or adjust. It's a quick release front tire, so you can quick release it right there, which is nice. And let's see, moving on back here, we do have a derailleur guard, derailleur. So yeah, Shimano system. Let's get back up here and take a look at the cockpit area. So we have palm rests right here on the handlebar grips. Those are nice and tight. They're not locking, but I tell you what, those are not moving at all. So, oh, there it is a little bit if I put a lot of effort into it. So nice grips there. We have a button here. We got a button pad right here that has the horn. Really, really loud horn. And then we have the button that turns on the light. So we got that going on for us. There it is. You can see that light going. And then we have a secondary button pad here with the up and down pass and the mode button, but the mode button is also your power button. Brakes. Let's take a look at this display right here. If we can see it in the bright sun, you're going to see it flashing on your screen. That's just because of the film rate of the camera. But pretty simple. It's color. You got a little color there. Speed right in the middle, nice to easy to see. You can see the pass level and then your overall mileage. Over here we have the Shimano shifter, SIS shifter with a twist throttle. So not bad at all. Again, $8.99. Okay, so you know, 15 amp hour battery. That's where half the money is, right there in your battery. So not bad at all for this bike. The components are pretty good. The tires are pretty good. I talked about them 26x4. They're CST, BFT tires. So good tires on there. And guys, I was just on the website this morning kind of looking at the specs, and I noticed they've got a sale right now. They're offering a free extra battery. Now the battery looks a little different, so I'm guessing it's like a 10 amp hour maybe, but they are offering a free extra battery right now for $8.99. So that is huge, huge. You know, just a really good deal. Oh my goodness. And they've proven to be pretty good bikes. I mean, we had the Kingbull Light Rider most recently, and that's a really good solid built bike, no problems with that. And prior to that, it was the Kingbull Rover, which is more of a mountain style bike because it had a dual suspension setup, and it was pretty good. So we enjoyed that. But I tell you what, yeah, let's get this back on the road because I think this is turning into a full review video, isn't it? I wasn't planning on that. I was just going to show you, but I think I shared everything with you that I can share. Let's get back on the road and, yeah, see how she does. So, pretty good pickup there. I don't know what the torque rating is on this. I would say it's probably like in maybe 80 range or something, which is pretty standard for most e-bikes. Pick up and go is pretty nice and smooth. Nothing too aggressive or anything there, so if you like a nice, smooth, slow get up and go, that's what you're going to get with this bike. Let's go this way. No throttle, we're just going to do pedal only. We're still in pedal assist 4, so we're going to get up here to speed pretty quick. Nice and smooth all the way up. Starting to ghost pedal, we're at 20 miles an hour. Yeah, not bad at all. So Kingbull is a brand that you should take a look at because, like I said, we haven't had any trouble with their bikes, and we did have to reach out to customer service with the Kingbull Rover, but they were really quick to respond, really quick to get us taken care of, and yeah, so nice bikes, really nice bikes. Definitely something to consider, especially for this price range. That's the best thing going on right now is you get a really good looking bike, you get a nice built bike with some good components for $899 plus. If you're watching this video in mid-September, you get a free extra battery with it. And that deal is only going on for like another week, I believe, so go check it out.